Before we get to some of the more exciting shortcuts that Excel has to offer, we're going to talk about some of the more basic stuff. Give ourselves like a little foundation. You can totally skip over these. Let's just get started here. So we're going to talk about like saving the workbook, opening the workbook, creating a new tab, and then these are the shortcuts to get you there. So the first thing you want to always do is either start a new workbook or open a workbook. And always make sure to hit this one throughout your work so you don't lose it. It's definitely a time saver. Instead of clicking right click and then inserting a new tab, this does it a lot faster. So when we say workbook management, it's really about getting started with your workbook and maintaining it as you go. And to get started, you can either open a new workbook or open a previous workbook that you've used before. So let's start by opening a new workbook. Ctrl N, and then you see this new workbook pop up right here. So here's a new workbook, and then the first time you save it, it's going to be a save as, but you don't have to go up here, File, Save As anymore. What you want to do is press Ctrl+S, and then you can save it wherever you want. And then going forward, the next time you save, you just press, once you have a name for it, then you're going to press Ctrl+S and save. So just get in the habit while you work through your documents of pressing Ctrl+S, and you can save as you go. You'll thank yourself later when you don't lose 2 hours of work in a spreadsheet. So we talked about saving the workbook, inserting a new tab. So by default, Excel starts with 3 tabs here on the bottom. We got 3 tabs right here, our module outline, the demo we're about to jump into in a little bit, and then a practice exercise for later. So if you wanted to add a new tab, you would just press the Shift button and then F11. And then you see a new tab pops up right here, and we can rename it.